Hey guys, I know what you're thinking. It's been a long while since we put out a video, but it's not our fault. Like, exam has been switching us out, so I haven't been really getting to post any videos. I haven't been getting to do any videos, but we'll be posting again very soon. I also know what you're thinking. Like, where is Dixon? Where is Andre? Why is it just me? Well, for who knows but who don't know and who want to know, yes, we live very far apart. I live in Portmore. Well, no, I don't live in Portmore. I live at Hillshop. Yes, and Andre lives downtown. Not downtown as in downtown. Andre lives in like in a 3-story house downtown, and Jordan lives at Harborview. Yeah, he lives near to the harbor, one of those beach houses. Yeah, so we're kind of just separated from each other, kind of far, but the vlog, the channel, the videos need to go on, right? So let's start a little series, Parring with Trey. Yeah, Parring with Trey. So that's what I'm here for. That's what I'll be doing a lot of these videos until we get to really meet up together again to really do a big video. So yeah, I guess me and, well, yeah, me and Aztecs gonna be going on the road today, partying. Yeah, show you guys what's up. Alright.
Not bad, bro. So I'm take a little while.
See there, Aztecs now steps in.
Yo, what's up?
Yeah, I'm just there to tell the viewers, say, yo, long time when I post the video because the man them far, but we need to still do some shit. Yep. So, on our journey.
Gang. Yo, I don't know, you know, subscribe to the things, it. Don't be a scumminar. And check out the Flare Vibes mixtape anywhere on the seat, anywhere on the platform on the seat, and can stream it. Man.
Just finished with Subway. So what's Subway, Aztecs?
Yeah, tough. But
Subway comes to Portmore. No reason for Kingston no more. Sovereign Village. Well done. Leaving en route to Elsha. Alright. Hold on. Yeah. So reach back now, Elsha. Drop off Aztecs.
out there without fear.
Well, let's see what look at Subway around. Never nothing big or long.
What off?
The journey wasn't long. Just go Subway, get some food, for the back of yard. Parring with Trey. Sticks.
Out. Mad.